Hello everybody, welcome back to the workshop. So today I am going to be doing my official announcement of a collaboration that I have going on between myself, John Switzer of Black Bear Forge, Tim at Big Dog Forge, and David with Work with Nature. I'll put a link to all these channels in the description down below, and also this video will be a part of a collaborative playlist where everybody's going to be using this collaboration playlist to take and post their videos to. So this will be hopefully the head video, I think it is. It's a welcome to all 4 of our channels, and I really hope you guys enjoy this little collaboration. So if you don't know what the collaboration is already, or haven't been around for live streams and stuff, I have sent approximately about 4 pounds of wrought iron to each one of these creators, and I gave them a challenge of I wanted to see what they could do with it. So there's no strings attached, there's no limit to the imagination of what they can do with it. They've asked some of their communities already what they thought they'd do with it. Again, I'll put the links to those videos in the description down here, and I'll also put them in this playlist section if you're watching this through the playlist. And I think it's going to be really exciting to see. So a little bit about the wrought iron that I sent them. The wrought iron came from a bridge that was constructed in 1906. It was torn down, however, right around 2003 or so, according to my source, and that's the guy that I bought it from. And it was somewhere in eastern PA that the bridge came from. And that's about all I know about this wrought iron. So it's bridge ironwork. It's a very high grade of wrought iron, so it has a very fine grain. Very fine grain in it, and it is really wonderful stuff to work. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what everybody can take and get done with this wrought iron. I think it'll be really neat to see what type of projects they'll go with. So please go check out these guys' channels, check them out, see all their projects that they're working on. As new projects come about, they'll be added to the collaborative playlist, and so keep an eye on that as well. All great channels. I think you should subscribe to each and every last one of them. If you want to go check them out and see what they're up to, that would be great. I'm sure they would appreciate to have yet another subscriber, so this way they can continue to show you all the interesting things that they're doing. So my part of this collaboration, although this was not my original intended piece that I was going to use as part of this collaboration, but I figured, heck, why not? Let's go ahead and do it, is I'm forging myself an 8-pound wrought iron sledgehammer with steel faces that'll be welded in. And so I've done a little bit of the work. We've been doing this in the live streams. This is the billet here. This started as 8.8 pounds of wrought iron, and then we're going to add 3 pounds worth of high carbon steel faces onto this sledgehammer, just like so. And it may look a little wonky right now and a little long and stuff. It'll get squashed down, trust me, as we continue to work on this. And it's going to have a lot of ornamentation. Now this is what interests me the most. I'm really most interested in doing all the ornamental portions and the ornamentations. So follow along the larger forging steps in the live streams, and then there will be a video series around the decoration of this hammer and the hardening and tempering and things like that when we get to that point. Also putting in a hand-carved handle to it. So there's going to be a lot of information about wrought iron in this video series that I'm doing in collaboration with John Switzer and Tim and David, and so I'm really looking forward to, again, just to see what everybody comes up with. I hope you are too. Again, if you want to subscribe to them, make sure to hit that subscribe button and jingly bell for notifications, and be on the lookout for all the videos that are titled in this little collaboration about the little wrought iron collab. And I really hope you guys will enjoy this entire series. So it ought to be neat, ought to be a fun time. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you to every last one of the collaborators that decided to do this with me. I greatly appreciate each and every last one of you. Thank you for letting me send you some wrought iron and test your wit and your skills to see how much you guys enjoy working with wrought iron. So that's it for today. Thank you again. As always, God bless you, and we'll catch you on the next one.